As a party, we have complied with all the requirements of the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties and IEBC. The party has rolled out mass registration of new members, and you will soon be witnessing county interactions. We are starting this weekend. My first assignment is to go, because we have so far registered 5,325 members in Kisumu County. So on Saturday, my first assignment will be to go and meet the 5,000 registered members of Kisumu County in Kisumu, and I will be opening the UDA office on Saturday in Kisumu. So watu wa Dala, karibisheni UDA party, tunakuja kule, and we shall have an event of its kind. Kisumu is going to be painted yellow. We are going to come with gallons of paints, yellow, and brushes. Kama kuna rangi ingine Kisumu on Saturday, brace yourself for the event that you've never witnessed since inception of that city. As the Secretary General, the bar has been set high, and the responsibility before me is not light, and I'm up to the task. With the support of the Secretariat and all party organs, I will fully adopt and embrace the vision of our party leader, that is to make UDA the greatest party of all time and an institution that will outlive its leadership and generations to come.